They see the light when you're not far, but when you're here, it makes all the difference when you're near.
If you're not gonna get your power brand, make sure you grab it right here. I'll post the link down in the description. I also got it came with this box. I don't know if you can see it right there. Wait. It came with that. It also came with this bag. So it came with this, I don't know what this is. This right here came with a lot of stuff inside. This bracelet is a tennis bracelet. I got that, and I also got another box right here. This one has my necklace. I'll go ahead and take it out. So basically it's like all this right here. It's just this part. Now in the back, I don't know if y'all could see, it says Apollo brand, Apollo, and literally right here it has an A. So I'm going to put the link down. It's just the link so y'all could get anything you want. So yeah, make sure you watch the whole video. So I'm gonna put the link down in the description and a discount code also. So once again, yeah, I'll put the link. Hello? Hey, you didn't hit the sub button. Go hit it right now. Like this video. Share and comment when done. Okay, I do right now. What is up, cristinasquad? Today I'm bringing you a brand new video. And today's video, I got my Jordans literally right here. So we're gonna do an open box right now. I'm gonna set you up where my desk is at. So we're gonna open it right now. Let's stop by accident. I'm good. Okay. I think my knife is on. My knife is right here. Here you go. Okay, we're gonna open it. I know you can see it. Let me put you guys right here. Ready? Now this is my first pair of Air Jordan 1s. Right? Yeah, two. Your forehead back. Can't see me. Look. Did I see me? Oh, okay. No. These are my first pair of like Jordan ones. I don't know how they would look like. So. Babies, oh damn, they're heavy. Holy shit. You're really heavy, bro. What you guys here? Okay. I don't know if you can see it. Damn. I can't get it to focus. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put two. Oh, hold on, guys. It's just there's so much junk. You know what? I think I'm gonna just put you somewhere. Hold on. Okay, so for me. Okay. Now, hold on. Okay. Now, I got these Jordans on GOAT, so they go. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. You can't believe what's in the box. Holy shit. Oh. Okay, you want to take them out? Ooh. Jordan 1s. Damn. These are dope. These babies right here. Okay, so these come with black lace, white ones, and blue ones. Sweet shit. These are like my first pair of Jordan 1s. Ugh. Damn. Gotta always take the sticker off. Holy. Can't believe I got them on time. Yeah. Wait, that's one you like to send me? Oh, okay. Jordan 1s. Look at these babies here. On GOAT. Really on GOAT. Oh my god. These are dope, bro. Damn. Wait. I think these come in. I don't even know. Shit. I need to check. Sometimes people just send you only one lace, so we gotta check these babies right here. See how many lace there is in here. Let's see. Oh, okay, there's two of them on here, so. Oh yeah, there's 2. Okay. Guys, let me know in the comments, should I keep the black ones on or change them? Or put blue on this one and then white on the other ones? I don't know. Because they gave me black ones and they gave me white ones and some blue ones. I don't know. So, well, I need to turn on my ring light. Look at these, damn. Damn. If you're, holy shit. So out of the shoes I have right now, I'm gonna show you my shoe collection. So out of the shoes I have these right here. These are dirty, but and my Yeezys and my other pair of Yeezys. So damn, those are dope. Holy damn. I need to try these on. I need to try these Jordans on if they fit. They better fit me. They better fit me. There's more paper in here. Why is everything made in China? I don't get it. Like, ah, damn. Now, I think this one was on this one was up here. Oh shit, they fit perfectly. Holy shit. Damn, they fit so perfect. Oh my god. Hold on. Let me show you. One. Damn, they look dope. See what happens? You see what happens when you save a lot of money and you get the things you want. So I don't know how to do it, but damn, they feel heavy. Like compared to my Yeezys, the Yeezys are lighter. Like my Yeezys right here are lighter compared to Jordan ones. So yeah, but these are dope. Dude, I cannot like. Damn. I'm actually a size 8 in Jordan ones. I'm actually a size 8 in Jordan ones. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link down in the description where you could grab your Jordan ones. Just the camera. Okay. So remember, grab them on go. Go, just go, man. Go, certified, right here, certified. Yep. Thank you, goat. Thank you. Thank you so much, goat. Thank you so much for the J's. So dope. God. I wanna. Okay, so on these, I found some red ones. So I wanna grab some red. You know what, guys? I think since I did a video like a year ago about Yeezys for 1,000, let's switch it up for these. Let's see, 1,000 Jordan 1s Blue Storms giveaway. How about that? So the Yeezys, we should place them for these for Chicago 2021. So let me know in the comments below. Do y'all want the Blue Storms or do you want Chicago 2021? I would just drop the comments below. Let me know your shoe size and where do you live. It has to be locally. Like, I don't want to ship. And let you know, I'm gonna be buying a couple of these in different sizes. So I have this wheel on my laptop. I'm gonna be choosing winners out throughout the comments below. Make sure you grab my merch. I just released one merch. So it's called Never Look Back, Never Come Back. Merch is out. So what it means that there's a meaning to that. So it means that when somebody literally just push you away, either it's a friend who you've been looking out for years, she just like, he or she just literally just push you away, and makes you realize, you know what, when somebody push you away, they will never come back. They won't come back. So y'all need to be careful who you push away in your life, because one day when you need them, they're not gonna be there. I tell you that right now. That's facts. So be careful who you push away, because they're never ever gonna come back. They're gonna just keep grounding until you get jealous. That's facts. I mean, tell you that right now. Like, I had a friend. Tell you that right now. I had a friend that was literally just pushing me away constantly, non-stop. And she wanted to come over so bad. I told her, I don't know. This was back in 2017. I said, I don't know. And things got now over here, this is, I had things going on with my family, like, tell you that. And I didn't like how I was before. I had things going on. Clearly she didn't understand what was going on because I didn't say anything and stuff. So she continued pushing me away constantly and constantly. I just got sick of it. So I decided to I don't know how to call it. Like, it's a really long story. I know what I did wrong, which I said sorry, but what she did wrong was really bad, really bad. She didn't even say sorry. She didn't even care or anything. She just liked me being hurt. And she ruined my whole relationship back in high school, and she didn't even say sorry. No, because of her, I can't even be in a relationship at all. Because if I did be in a relationship, guys, she's gonna come back and destroy it. I don't know what it was that got her to do that on me. You know? I don't know. I feel like I was I don't know how to call it. Like, I don't know. I feel like what she did was super wrong of her and stuff. And I already did one thing. Only one thing. She did too many things in my life that literally destroyed everything. And did I hear a sorry? No. No, I did not. I didn't hear no sorry from her. Never one apology from her. Because she didn't care if I want to be happy. Happy at all. So I came to a point where so what happened is that before that happened, I hit her up to check if she was okay. So I did saw a video of her getting beat up by a bunch of dudes, okay? And it was really bad. I didn't like that. When that happened, I felt bothered by it. And I don't know how to. I hit her up, and then she FaceTimed me, and then she told me, oh, and you know, she just started talking and stuff. But what does not make sense is that why, like, all of a sudden she's saying I love you, and then she literally is pushed me away afterwards, pushed me away before. Like I don't get it. Why you always say I love you when you push that someone away? Like, that's not love, bro. Like, what? That's not love. And I came to a conclusion where she was just playing me. She never cared. She never cared about anything. She didn't even support me or anything. Not even my last band concert I had when I was 19. No. How can you love someone and push them away? That's where I don't understand. So when I went to her apartment and I was texting him, where are you? Like, bro, I'm here to hear. She goes like, I will call you. I said, she told me that, you know, I said that I was gonna call you. I didn't hear nothing. You calling me? Like, what? I didn't hear nothing. All she said, I was going to bed. That's all she said. I didn't hear nothing what you saying, oh, I'm gonna call you. You didn't say anything about that. So I text her 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes. If you're not here, this friendship is off. Literally off. So the past 5 minutes, I texted her again. This friendship is over. I'm never gonna come back. Never. I hope you're watching this. You know who you are. You know who you are. So I'm literally done with her. Like, I'm done. I'm gonna need to keep making videos for y'all, making content. Hopefully, to the person you know who you are. Probably, like, you know who you are. If you watch this video, just know I'm gonna keep grounding, and one day you're gonna probably feel guilty what you did. Alright. So I need to run to the bathroom, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Oh yeah. Hey, where should I put the goat sticker? Should I put it like right here? I don't know. I think I don't even know what to put it. I might put it here. I can't put it in my laptop. I already have too many stickers. I think I'll put it right there. So when that happened, what was I saying? Okay, when that happened, I told her, like, 5 minutes, you're not here. In 5 minutes, I'm out, and I'm never gonna come back. So she invited me. Before that happened, like, she called me in face and she asked, "Oh, my dad tells me to always be nice." She wasn't even nice. So that I know she was literally lying. She did. See, the problem is that you're not a people person, Paul. If you're gonna actually be nice, you gotta actually be real nice, like dead ass serious nice. Cause you're gonna just play people. You're not worth it. Like, you're not worth it. You're not. And I didn't even hear no apology from you. No. Not me one apology from you. I said sorry to you, but you never said sorry back, so I'm gonna continue doing my thing and stuff, but continue watching all my videos. Continue. Because at the end of the day, you're gonna just get jealous even more. It's not my fault when you date dudes who don't even like you. That dude is just using you. You're using him for sexual things. And you're literally just rushing to marriage. And I want to tell you that one thing is that when you rush to marriage, it's not going to work out. He's just going to leave you like Albert did. Like, it's how life is. And you're exposing yourself, so that's how you get played. I know what I did wrong. I was messed up. What I did. But what you did was completely wrong. Was damn really wrong what you did to me. It's really messed up the things you have did to me, what I did to you, because it wasn't that bad. But what you did to Marla was pretty bad. So I don't know, like, I don't know what to say. So yeah. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button and turn notification, like, share, and comment when done. And I'll be back with more videos. Peace. So Apollo is doing on sale on Apollo.com. So if you want more, if you want jewelry like my bracelet, my necklace, I got it from Apollo. I will put a link down in the description so you could check them out. They have really awesome jewelry. You can also customize. You can do mostly anything. So yeah, so go ahead and check them out. I'll put a link down in the description and a discount code. I don't have my own discount code, so hopefully soon I could like collaborate with them. That's too later on, but make sure you check them out. Get something for you or for your boyfriend, for your wife, husband, mostly either one. So go ahead and check them out. ApolloBrand.com. I'll put a link down in the description. So I got this product for my Yeezy 350s. The brand's something Rishu. I don't know. Something Rishu. I don't know what's it called. The brand's right there on the screen. I will put the link down in the description. Like I said, I recently purchased a couple of products. I got the kit, detergent, some spray, like to keep my shoes clean. But overall, I like it. I'm gonna eventually get some more, and yeah. So go ahead and try them out, and comment however your shoe will come out. If they come out super clean, let me know in the comments below. So yeah.